how to manage your manufacturing plant with one or multiple robots. I'm here with Scott Ware, you're the robotics engineer at Altera, and we are here at the Embedded World in Germany at the Altera booth. And you have some great use cases with FPGA, how you can manage efficiently your manufacturing plant with one or multiple robots. Can you explain me the challenges that these type of organizations have?
Yeah, absolutely. So there are many, many challenges that face any robot designer, especially when we're talking about a factory with multiple robots. They have to collaborate, they have to communicate, they have to understand their environment. So really, at a very basic level, we have multiple robot arms. They have to somehow understand their environment. They have to communicate between each other. They have to understand what's going on. And that usually takes a number of different boxes, a number of different technologies that we have to factor in. We have to be able to accommodate.
And if you look, most of these robots, they have cameras. They use computer vision to detect and to understand the environment that you're mentioning. How are you using, with FPGAs, AI in this domain?
So with FPGA, especially with Agilex 5 E-Series, we have the perfect platform for creating the ultimate robot controller, integrated robot controller. So we have capabilities in this device. We have functional safety capabilities. We have TSN capabilities for network communication, high precision real-time communication between different robot controllers. We also have a perfect platform for multi-axis motor control. So this is where we're creating very deterministic control signals for multiple motors that are actuating these robots. Potentially with one platform, we can be controlling multiple robots. So even the communication between them doesn't necessarily matter so much. We can control multiple robots and actuate multiple robots all on one consolidated controller.
And currently all these functions are done separately, and even the collaboration is sometimes not even existing.
Yeah, so when we start requiring a robot to understand its environment, quite often we have one solution that is doing the motor drives, it's doing the motor control. Then we have another solution that is doing the camera so that the robot can understand its environment. And all of these somehow have to harmoniously communicate, and they have to work together.
Which is quite a challenge.
Which is a real integration challenge.
Yeah.
And what we have here is one single platform, one piece of silicon that we can integrate all of these functions onto one board. And we can do it with high precision, we can do it with low power, and we can potentially, as you say, collaborate on one platform between multiple devices.
So how can robotic manufacturers really benefit from such a solution?
So with Agilex 5, we have a great platform for an integrated robot controller. Not only do we have the FPGA fabric, so we can implement high precision deterministic motor control for multiple motors, we also have a hard processor system which has multiple ARM cores. And that enables us to do industry standard integrations with frameworks like ROS2, so Robotic Operating System. And that really enables us to start implementing algorithms and take advantage of existing algorithms out in the robotics sector for doing things like path planning so that robots can plan their movements around their workspace and also understand their environment with perception routines.
And normally to start such a project is quite a challenge, but I think you have some ideas and some solutions for this as well. How can people just get started on a small scale and try it out?
Yeah, so what we have is we have motor control IP for Agilex 5 E-Series, and you can go and download that now from our IP catalog. So go download Quartus, go to the IP catalog and look at our motor control IP, and you can get started straight away with multi-axis designs.
Perfect. Scott, thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you for watching here from the Embedded World, from the Altera booth, with some great solutions for manufacturers that manage and operate their robots more efficiently.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's been great.